porcelain, they are both high fire. To show you the making of the pot with a demo fee of 100, and then whenever you want to try it, it's 100 pesos. Another 100 pesos. So first of all, I'm going to center the clay. I'm centering the clay with pressure from my both hands, and I have to go with the flow of the wheel. Before we can make any kind of shape that we want, may it be a vase, a bowl, or a mug, we have to make the cylinder first. So to do the cylinder, we put a hole in the middle, widen the hole by pulling the clay towards the side. At this point, with controlled pressure from my both hands, I'm going to compress the clay together here at the very bottom and then slowly pull it up to the top. One more time. So my hand should be the one controlling the clay, not the clay controlling my hands. And whenever I pull it up, I have to do it gradually to maintain the centerness and for it not to collapse. Ayusin lang natin. So this is our cylinder. This can be a mug already, but we are going to reshape this for us to see how far the clay goes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my left hand here at the very bottom. I'm pushing the clay outwards while pulling my hands up. And then here in the middle, I'm using my right hand. I'm pushing it inwards, supported by my left hand inside, and then outwards again at the top to make a flower vase. We can even make it sexier a bit. By pushing more here at the middle. If we want this to be a water container, then we can put the spout like that. So what we do here, we air dry it for 5 days. After 5 days of air drying, when it's leather dry already, we come back, we trim the bottom, and then that's the time that we also put a handle if we want to put a handle. And then we put any kind of decorations that we want to enhance the beauty. Then we air dry it again for a month. We cook it in the oven for 12 hours of firing. We have to wait for the oven to cool down in 2 days. We come back, bring out the pieces, and na-apply na po namin siya ng glazes. Yung glazes po, yan po nagbibigay kulay at kintab sa kanya, pero hindi po siya kagaya ng pintura na pinahin mo lang makikita na agad ang resulta. Kailangan po siyang iluto ulit for another 15 to 18 hours bago lalabas ang kagandahan ng each piece. They are very good for food containers and they are microwave